Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a grass terrain with very easy and simple steps. You gotta go to the 3D object first and terrain, right? You got the terrain there. You have to go to the package manager and wait a second. Download this package called terrain tool, which has so many options and assets. This is useful if you even have a terrain. Download this may help you in different paths. Okay, let's go back to a scene. This is a terrain right here, and go to this thing and go to paint texture. Yes, and create layer for the terrain. Okay, I got the grass layer right here. Okay, now we are actually in grass layer. I'm gonna pull it right here. Okay, when I zoom in closely, you can see the grass right here. If you zoom in closely, you can see the details of the grass. See, all right. And there is a lot of options in the terrain tool package. You can use whichever you want. See, there is a lot of options. You can select whichever you want, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and peace out.